have always dreamed of a job that would bring me a new challenge to experience every day. I'm an engineer. I look for innovative solutions. Imagining something that does not yet exist requires all my creativity. The intuition is the result of my passion. The idea comes unexpectedly. Perhaps in the middle of the night. The day after, working with my team, we shape my idea. Then come the first drawings, the first simulations. The prototype is knowledge and intelligence that are transformed from thought into matter. We are leaders in fastener systems, with a continuous propensity for innovation. Our components are used by the most prestigious companies in the automotive, industrial, oil and gas, and aerospace sectors. We are concrete people, reliable people. We are the added value of our company. Established in Italy, in the heart of Emilia's Motor Valley, we now serve businesses all over the world. Our customers are partners. Along with them, we design and manufacture high-tech products. We are a modern company with an old soul, 50 years of history, and our gaze projected towards a changing world. We want to continue to grow with the same passion as always and the determination of those who know their mission very well. My success, the success of a team, the success of our customers.